kidney, in which you can see the outer fibrous capsule. Then we have the cortex, which is the outer reddish part, and these the pyramids where lie the medullary region, in which you can see the pyramids. Each pyramid comprises of a lobe. So you can see each kidney comprises of 8 lobules. Each pyramid has a papilla which drains into the minor calyx. Minor calyx unites to form the major calyx, and these all major calyxes unite to form the renal pelvis. Renal pelvis is the extended part which drains into the ureter. Then we have in the cortex we have the cortical columns, which are the cortical extensions into the medulla, and we have the medullary rays, which are the extension of the medulla into the cortex. This is all in this structure. This is the structure of the nephron, the structure and function unit of the kidney. It starts with the renal corpuscle, which comprises of the glomerulus, first capillary bed, and the Bowman's capsule, a C-shaped capsule, which extends into the proximal convoluted tubule, and these are all the convoluted distal and the proximal convoluted tubule ascending into the loop of Henle. In which the interesting portion is the PCT and the DCT differences. This is the lumen of the proximal convoluted tubule, in which you can see the cuboidal cells, and the lumen is little bit narrower and showing a brush bordered appearance if you look closer. And in the DCT you can see the lumen is wider. The cuboidal cells appear a little bit smaller as aspect to the PCT, and this is the simple squamous layer of the loop of Henle's thin segments. Okay. This is the enlarged view of the glomerulus and the capsule, in which you can see the Bowman's capsule's layer is the simple squamous layer, and the glomerulus and the Bowman's capsule has two layers. This is the parietal layer, and attached to the capillary bed is the visceral layer. In between the visceral layer you can see these caps. These caps are known as slit diaphragms. On the glomerular beds there are these star-like processes. You can see these are known as podocytes, and these are the foot processes of the podocytes, primary and secondary, which form interdigitate and these form the slit diaphragms, a type of tight junction modified. And in this you can clearly see another important structure, the juxtaglomerular apparatus. The juxtaglomerular apparatus is formed by the macular denser cells, which you can see a little bit columnar, and they are in the initial segment of the distal convoluted tubule in contact with the glomerular apparatus afferent arterioles. This is the afferent arteriole, and this is the efferent arterioles. And in the afferent arteriole you can see the another cells in connection. These are known as juxtamedullary cells, and ahead of them, between these are known as Lacin cells. These Lacin cells are also known as external glomerular mesangial cells. Mesangial cells are basically